how do you cut a fresh pineapple? So I'm going to show you that. The first thing you need to do is cut off the top. And the second thing you need to do is cut about 1 centimeter of this off. Always check the bottom of your pineapple, because if it's soft, molded, then it's no good. Okay, I'm going to show you how to easy cut a pineapple. First, you need pineapples because I'm going to cook something. Always check the bottom of your pineapple. Make sure that it's no soft, no dead leaves. If so, it's no good. Okay, make sure you check all around. Then, what you do is you turn it to the side. You take about 1 centimeter and you cut that off. So that's what we're going to do now. Cut that off. And you can take this and grow this or whatever. I'm trashing it. Then you want to make sure that there's no brownness around here. Turn it on the other side. Take off another about 1 centimeter. Go down. Try to make it even. I normally don't. So mine is sometimes a little off. There we go. And the same thing. Make sure there's no softness right there. There we go. That out the way. Now you want to stand it up. The reason for standing it up is because it gets slippery. Then you want to shiver off your sides. So you're going to go down, take off your sides. Real quick and easy. Now, if you have a ripe, you wouldn't need to use this much force. But if it isn't really ripe yet, then you need that really sharp knife. Pineapples is good in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, fresh pineapples. Pineapples is good for 12 months, which is 1 year. I am taking out these cores, and the reason why I'm taking off the cores is because I'm getting ready to cook, make a dish with it. So it's not like I'm just going to eat it by hand. So I'm shivering off all the core pieces now, and it's always good to do that while standing up. And I'm just shivering them off. And they're all off. Then what I do is I stand it back up and then I slice it. I do big slices all around the core. Now if you got a core mover, you put it in. But if not, just go ahead and do it up to the core and slice it down all around. And technically, this is the core. I get rid of this. Now, if you want to get ahead and cut it up, this is the best way to get ahead and cut it because it's still soft. Take that core out of there. It's still soft and able to get ahead and slice. Watch this. I can make it any size or even for crush. It is full with pineapples, and I got this for the dish. Quick and easy, yummy, yummy, nice and healthy for the tummy.